she's definitely got this down, doesn't she? What is it, Allie?
Who is that?
Open.
Is that Ariel?
Yeah.
Is it the Little Mermaid?
No fish.
Is that Flounder?
No fish.
Yeah, fish. Flounder.
No fish.
No fish. Okay, we'll get it open.
Can you get her without me? What is it? What is it? Who is it? Who is that?
Open.
Who is it?
Open.
Is that Moosty?
Yeah. Open.
Open Moosty?
Yeah. Oh! Lucy, go! Oh! Lucy!
Awesome.
Please.
Say thank you, Mommy. Say love you, Mommy.
Say thank you, Daddy.
You're
Love
welcome.
you, Daddy. Love you, Daddy.
Hey. Can you say thank you?
Tina, happy birthday, Tina.